and the rope. Early lead is taken by Elusive Wind by the rail. State of the Art moving up on the outside, and Conqueror. It's now Conqueror in the lead, followed by State of the Art on the outside. In between horses is Elusive Wind. That's entry number 2. And Major Mama Don Pritz. The mid-back stretch, it's Conqueror in the lead by a length, followed by State of the Art in second. Major running in third by 2.5 lengths. Elusive Wind and Mama Don Pritz. Nearing the far turn, the lead is taken over now by State of the Art, followed by Conqueror, Major, Mama Don Pritz, and Elusive Wind. Rounding the far turn is the favorite, that's entry number 5, State of the Art leading the field, followed by Major on the outside, and Mama Don Pritz moving up on the inside, Conqueror, Elusive Wind. The last bend for home, it is still State of the Art in the lead, followed by Major on the outside, and moving up on the inside, Mama Don Pritz into the home stretch and nearing the payoff line. It is still State of the Art, followed by Major, and moving up on the inside is Mama Don Pritz, Elusive Wind, and Conqueror. And finally at the payoff line, it's a cinch for entry number 5, State of the Art, Mama Don Pritz, Major, Elusive Wind, and Conqueror.